Our story begins not with rockets, but with a dream shared by over 1 billion people in India. We gazed at the night sky, wondering about Mars, the red planet, mysterious and distant. For generations, questions about life and water on Mars sparked our curiosity. This mission was more than science. It was a symbol of India's ambition to explore the unknown. We started with simple rockets to help our people, but soon we dreamed bigger. Reaching Mars would test our limits and inspire future generations. Many doubted if a developing nation should aim so high, but we saw it as an investment in our youth and our future. The mission wasn't just about planting a flag, it was about igniting a passion for discovery. Every ISRO scientist felt the weight of 1 billion hopes. We weren't just building a spacecraft, we were carrying dreams. The path ahead was uncertain, but our determination was unwavering. We were ready to turn this shared dream into reality. The story of Mangalyaan is proof of what's possible when we dare to dream big. And so, India's journey to Mars began. The path to Mars was filled with daunting challenges. Our budget was just $74 million, a fraction of what others spent. Many called it impossible, but constraints became our strength. We had only 18 months to design, build, and launch. Our teams worked tirelessly, driven by urgency and purpose. Young scientists brought fresh ideas. Every rupee had to count. We repurposed old technologies, made things lighter, and innovated at every step. The spirit of Jugaad, finding smart, low-cost solutions, defined our mission. The world watched, expecting failure. Mars missions had a history of setbacks, but skepticism only fueled our resolve. The tight budget made us resourceful. The deadline made us focused. We were united by a single goal, to prove India could achieve the extraordinary. Every challenge became an opportunity to innovate. We were ready to face the challenge of a lifetime. Against all odds, we pressed on. The countdown to Mars had begun. With the mission set, we began building Mangalyaan, our Marscraft. Every part had to be strong, light, and smart enough to survive the journey. Engineers worked day and night, solving a complex puzzle. The spacecraft, small as a car, was packed with advanced technology. We protected its electronics with special thermal blankets and designed robust communications. Solar panels would power it millions of kilometers from home. Mangalyaan carried 5 scientific instruments: a camera, sensors for methane, and tools to study Mars's surface and atmosphere. Each instrument was built with precision to answer big questions about Mars. Assembly was meticulous, every screw and wire checked, every system tested. We simulated space's harsh conditions to ensure readiness. Seeing our golden chariot ready for launch filled us with pride. It was a symbol of our innovation and belief. Mangalyaan was ready for its journey to the stars. November 5th, 2013. The nation held its breath as PSLV lifted Mangalyaan skyward. The rocket placed our spacecraft in Earth's orbit, a flawless first step. But Mars was still far away. Using a clever slingshot maneuver, we gradually boosted Mangalyaan's speed over a month. This fuel-saving technique let us use a smaller rocket and keep costs low. On December 1st, we fired the engine for the final push, Trans-Mars injection. Mangalyaan broke free from Earth's gravity, beginning its 300-day, 650 million kilometer journey. Alone in deep space, it relied on commands from ISRO's team in Bengaluru. We monitored its health, made course corrections, and waited. The journey was long and quiet, but every day brought us closer. The world watched, wondering if India's little spacecraft would make it. Our team's vigilance never wavered. Each milestone was a victory. The red planet was within reach. The final test awaited us at Mars. September 24th, 2014, the day of truth. Mangalyaan had to slow down at the perfect moment to enter Mars's orbit. The main engine, silent for 300 days, had to work flawlessly. The maneuver was automatic. Signals from Mars took 12 minutes to reach Earth. As Mangalyaan disappeared behind Mars, we lost contact. Planned, but nerve-wracking. For 24 minutes, silence filled mission control. Then, a signal, a blip on the screen. Cheers erupted. Mangalyaan was in Mars orbit. India had reached Mars on its first attempt, a world first. Celebrations swept the nation. We became the first Asian country to reach Mars and did it on a shoestring budget. The world took notice. Congratulations poured in. We proved that determination and innovation could achieve the impossible. It was a victory for science, teamwork, and every Indian. Mangalayaan's success inspired millions. Our dream had become reality. India was now a true spacefaring nation. In orbit, Mangalyaan began its scientific mission. Designed for 6 months, it worked for nearly 8 years, sending back stunning images and valuable data. Its unique orbit gave us close-ups and global views of Mars. The Mars color camera captured breathtaking photos, canyons, volcanoes, polar caps. These images helped create a complete atlas and inspired a new generation. Mangalyaan searched for methane, a possible sign of life, and studied Mars's atmosphere. While it found only tiny traces, its data revealed how Mars lost its water over time. Every discovery was a new piece of the Martian puzzle. The mission proved India could do high-quality science on another planet. It gave our scientists invaluable experience for future missions. Mangalyaan paved the way for even more ambitious explorations. Its scientific legacy continues to grow. India had become a leader in planetary science. Mangalayaan's story is one of hope, pride, and inspiration. Its success filled India with confidence and broke the myth that space is only for the wealthy. The image of our scientists celebrating became a symbol of a new India. The mission sparked a surge of interest in science among the youth. Children dreamed of rockets and stars, inspired to become the next generation of explorers. Mangalyaan showed the world that vision, teamwork, and courage matter more than budget. It inspired developing nations to reach for the stars. The mission promoted peaceful, collaborative exploration. It reminded us that the quest for knowledge unites humanity. The spirit of Mangalyaan guides our future missions. Its true legacy lives in the hearts of 1 billion people. It's a timeless story of how a shared dream can lift a nation. The journey to the stars begins with a single powerful dream, and that dream continues.